My video guide is about getting rid of the scary alerts related to the site Kasons.live. Kasons.live is a malicious site that attacks Google Chrome, Safari, and other browsers. It may attack both Windows and Mac computers. It displays fake security alerts which try to encourage visitors into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted applications. These pop-ups may display pretty frustrating messages mentioning that the computer is horribly damaged, but all this information is not true. You should not tolerate these deceptive pop-ups. Simply leave this page. I also recommend you to carefully investigate your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the website combocleaner.com. Download it, install the program, and begin carefully researching and investigating the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove other infections which could possibly still remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.